Kunyara gotegere birengero bya barandia na boigo nuko ani wechi kanisa ao ni gegenreta si county asiri tukolia lero nigo yarengenga kiye county ya Kisii asa barandi kunyara kureberengere byabo igoro yogo tuko wechi kanisa na boigo nuko goro wechi kanisa munya kerobo we task force yumtaba musimi niga aumerana na barandi ensemo ya kibite yogo toke myobo chobo so kunyara gokwana engane yokorengana na barandi nigo batebiruna omuraibu ensetiga murekera muno amangana arengeta magendro nane kunyara go tuara amangana rengetemeremo anana saba sae nabigona abantu banda sekolengana barandi batebere buna okobora kwemeremo ngati yebintu bikorera kikanza kinyinge kunyara koigurwa asabaga ni umurebo ense kolikerene ky'abantu bananyara kwenyoremeremo eri kunyara wekinya omuriketo jotfatia misi noroboti rwa senchira yoboikirano ekiombe kikenyara kwa bagego chakiwa no muraibu ense Dr. William Ruto iliyokwenekea unakenyera kwa bagego lingoria na kumanya bokorere bwe kikanisa gikora wanere valente mutaba musimi itukolia lero ni kenyera kwa bagego ikirana ime county ya Kisii anene ase amagacho hakibit.
We have been in Kisii County and we have had a very good reception and the participation of the people of Kisii in this particular hall where we are has been splendid, has been very, very good. They have come in large numbers and they are completely mixed, different churches, different religions. We've had Christians, we've had Muslims, we even had a representative of the traditional African religion. And then among the Christians, we've had very many different churches of the Christian and the umbrella bodies.
Ekerenga ekenene gikumbekyo no kwenekenge kenyere kwa bwe gusangiriria anene birengereri byaba bwatani bekikanisa elinde kwenekya buna obokoreri obuya bwanyere kwa bokorekana ase kikanisa enkwana yanyara kwa bwe gusirwa amona baraya bange abanyara kwa bagwikira nasomo yegoyo.
As a society, not just the government, we as the people of Kenya, that's why we are here in Kisii. What can we do together to make sure that bad things don't happen in places of worship or to people who are praying?
Na mambo ya religion iendelee kuwa vizuri kama vile nchi zingine, na freedom of worship hatutaki iingiliwe, lakini tunataka iwe na mwelekeo mwema.
Tia bali banyara kwa bagwikirana asomo yegabwiri tukolia lero nababwatani korukikanisa nabiga bateneneri abanyara kwa bakwenane birengere byabo ase abande batika kwa bakorekana bagote babune kanisa negane iri bosibore elinde nyara kwa bagikogendereria anene no bokoreri bwae are amo no boteneni bwe serikali.
Ekanisa netegete gwethenera kuba regulated na serikali asengenjo ebintu mbira serikali tamanyeti lakini kanisa nemaete igotutaete body ekusulikira kanisa yoka keka semete njira ayo kale regulation yo Kenya na
serikali nebonete sababa Kenya ukwabira because serikali ne what it is on administrative structures kurumiji 10 mpaka wa chief na wa dureti bono ekanisa nigiye kumedingana giye kubeke rumu sigo oshakaora asive shakaora mboga ndego toka West Tanzania. This was administrative lapses and the government needs to take responsibility and apologize to the Kenyans.
Okoboro kwemeremo anene imensi ya Kenya ngati yebitango ebibye ireire chikanisa kinyingego chakiwa anene ime yense ya Kenya.
Mtu akisoma akikosa kazi anaweza anza kanisa juu kwa kanisa huku anapata pesa. Na pia president wetu aone kwamba ajira iko kwa watu wetu, watu wapate pesa, ndio kwamba wasiende kuanzisha makanisa ili wapate pesa.
Kuripoti katika Ndizi TV kuri county ya Kisii, Elitera na Josephat Hamisi.